Yes, thank God it's Friday. It's Friday. They get a market.
You don't understand one thing about Betana. Every Friday, if you notice, she did. Well, I beg.
Ginger. Hey.
Nobody say she could go anywhere at the end of the day.
I don't understand. You be my bodyguard.
With a ton of
you follow me.
Okay. One person. Amaka, we understand. So you dey come out, you dey go house, but we dey turn up.
Hello.
This night.
Hey. Check.
Hook up with us after the show.
Peace for the nation.
Yeah.
Betana. Okay,
Yes.
Tabdu.
We preach peace.
Tabdu.
Are you done?
We now continue.
No. I want Betiana to bask in the phobia of
Friday.
Yes, thank you, my sister. I want you to
Yes.
enjoy it. All right, today very wonderful. Today now our special Friday, Comedy Friday. Every Friday is now Comedy Friday on Top Talk Talk. And we will get two Kajat guests then we go join us inside the studio today. One a comedian, one a musicianship. You want to musicianship. You want to know who they be? You're going to need to come body with us. We get our waiting day hot because we want to do some kind amebo today.
Maybe.
Some kind amebo now we want to do today. Every Friday is amebo time.
Yes.
Betiana know it.
That's just comedy.
Oh, yes.
Yes, every Friday amebo's time. And also we get body kaja.
Yes,
Hey, body kaja. We get body kaja today. We get cocoa of the day. Plenty things that we get for you today on Top Talk Talk. So not go anywhere. Just sit down with your popcorn and water because we don't want to make you take any drink at all with water. You understand? My name is Ubvi Ehiga Musoy and welcome to today's show. The ladies them going to don't cover themselves one by each.
My name is Betiana Unwele and welcome to Talk Talk.
Yeah.
Just do your own.
If you introduce yourself like
Amaka,
that.
do your own.
Wait, may I greet her first now?
No, introduce yourself.
TGNF. My name is Amaka.
TGNF. No,
TGNF. Thank God na Friday. See them.
Okay, the pidgin version. Oh, really?
My name is Amaka Okudiafo.
I'm gonna laugh my laugh. My name now.
Your name not called Kudiafo Queen Bee.
All right, ladies, any plan for the weekend?
Yeah, I shall not say after we finish the show, me with you now, me, you, Betiana, Chika.
So what you call put Amaka?
No.
You refuse to
Because
you
refuse to be part of the
You know the agree enter the file. Okay, you want
Amaka
enter.
just
I
like
know enter
fights.
again.
Because he get
I
gate
know
pass.
once.
Wait, he get gate pass.
And I know say that get past for me.
All right. Let us go
In
over
fact,
to
I
waiting day hot
refuse
because
to.
I don't understand the thing they
In fact,
happen
we must
right
not
now.
continue again.
Amaka, please.
Amaka, no best.
I shall.
You
Beg me.
All right, sorry.
So today, our first story for today, why some people they look for begging,
where we not go
where
give.
we not go give. Our first story for today,
I shall revolt.
Our first, Betiana.
Right on, sister.
Use something stone and me she shut her mouth up. Good. Now, our first story for today, this one concerns Hollywood filmmaker Elvis Chooks. Now, recently, he posted one photo of himself for inside jacuzzi for Dubai, Burj Al Arab, saying they enjoy himself for inside luxurious hotel. He posts them on top Instagram. Now, the thing be say, people where they follow him on top Instagram, can they send us a kind of message, say, what are you feeling like? Which kind of forming they do? You are forming like you have the money. Everything, they do some on top Instagram. So he can't do waiting. He can't reply, he haters. Kai, according to the information, he imply he haters. He can say, luxury na lifestyle. He say, if you can't feel it, see him. He said, this picture, it make them start to dey talk. He can put it Burj Al Arab, 7-star hotel of world, and it cost $1 million per night. He says, so before the critics can talk, they must go stay there for a week, if they can. And for the record, it's a boxer's shorts, not a pants. Because they come, they attack and say, which kind of cloth you wear? Say, you know, wear better cloth. He writes plenty things. He because he posts another picture again. Because a part of the pictures will make them start to talk. He says 7-star hotel for inside the world. He said for those who can't stand success, go lodge there for 2 weeks at 14 million naira, equivalent to 80,000 US dollar. Or else, if you not feel lodge for there, close your mouth. Now, waiting this Nollywood filmmaker Elvis Chooks actually do on top Instagram. Now, make I ask you this question. Say you close your mouth and you talk, which one hard to do? Because I don't understand Elvis.
We to keep quiet, it's not hard pass. Because all the bacteria and the gbogbo issue with your mouth, they're supposed to receive air. But for Elvis, because of the standard he don't set for himself, not be everything you're supposed to respond for. That's number one. Then secondly, that jacuzzi, how we take no saying a 7-star hotel jacuzzi 9 that one be. I feel like that for my own jacuzzi for house to create my own if I like and call them 20-star jacuzzi. Now you know what thing they do, but you don't really need them. And you don't big past that one. You go see some, you get some artists or people wait on their computer. Or you want to see Aliko Dangote snap picture inside jacuzzi. Hello. Come they put them for top Instagram. Come on, keep quiet. Now poverty they make noise.
God bless you. I did wait to hear what Queen B to talk. You know, she like to support some kind time. So today I did very proud of you. No, sincerely, I did proud. Say actually, you know, support Barton because I don't understand why. Okay, so in they spend 1 million per night for inside jacuzzi. In mates, they make that 1 million turn into 100 million, and in there they waste the money. They feel so okay. Yes, I don't do better thing. Now, if he even did there, because like Queen B talk, anybody fear enter in jacuzzi, say okay, I did for Dubai, I did this one, I did that one. Not be 1 million per night, and you feel say you wise to yourself. Actually, to keep quiet, now you hard pass. Because really, even after you know saying don't do stupid thing, you supposed just shut up, no respond because they don't catch and say really, you don't use your brain. But since still say okay, I won't open my mouth talk, it be like say my money misroad. Because when money misroad, like Queen B talk now, empty barrel now they make noise. If you really, you don't ever say Aliko or be Adenuga or any of these people say, okay, I did inside hotel, I spent 2 million per night. Chakam, selfish. Which rubbish.
I'm selling fish with this one. Not be selfish.
I dey vex because if they give me the money, I know what thing I go use and do better thing. That's what they waste and say now for inside jacuzzi. So now jacuzzi be your life problem. Thank you. Calm me down because I dey vex.
I don't just understand better than they will walk today.
No, but seriously, he really need for us to advise him properly. Okay, first of all, I want to know for our village, which type na stand you they stand take bath or you
na bathroom,
jacuzzi. Because if you go sleep for that kind of place, that means for your house for village. I know they talk of Lagos or where you dey rent, and they talk the one way you build for village because you know if you rent for village. So maybe that one na standing or I don't understand it be a beg important.
Okay.
Buy yam,
he don't get the message.
Lying, sitting on a bath. Abi?
So why selfie?
Now see,
Everybody get their own reason to take selfie.
Oh my
Queen
G,
B, stop
you just
hating.
talk as I want take talk am. Everybody get as they say they do their own thing.
You can't experience
everybody
luxury. See am.
You know what you talk?
You don't give us photo.
No, but he no lie. You know say no lie.
Say
if you no fit experience luxury, make you see am.
so for a man with him boxer pants na luxury in the
You
experience.
know how much if you don't buy that boxer?
Hell, see,
Anyway, may I just talk with water, may I just land that. Everybody get different ways where they think they express themselves. Yes, to keep quiet, you know today easy. But if I put myself for a shoe, I like to just ignore some kind of things. Especially when I don't reach one level. You don't need for me to talk again. I don't reach that level, Even if my inside my house, that jacuzzi day. What's it concern you? Even if I inside one check out a hotel in the jacuzzi day. It concern you, now your consignment. I don't borrow you, now my own. So I know why if I want to take the selfie and I put on my people talk and I feel say I need to comment, I could just say thank you. Or just say something people go on that say we they expect more, but I don't give them waiting they go use talk. So I don't feel saying just fool himself anyway. True.
Yeah,
fool
thank
himself.
you.
Finally,
that's actually the bottom line. Like what you could be talking, say na poverty now they make sense and now they make plenty noise. See, YJ just post picture of her Pekin online recently, and people started to attack her Pekin. Now waiting happen, the Pekin wear some one shoe. People started to attack her Pekin, say which kind shoe be that? That one a fake one. That one no be fake one. This one a fake one. You know the response where she gave? She said, "My brother, na fake oh, but abeg, if you fit bring the original for us,
I go
we go
collect.
appreciate am. My doors dey open.
Yeah.
I see that kind of response.
Yes,
And the better
yes.
response when you go give people wey dey hate on you. For me, but really, it just won't show itself. You don't really get anything. Because if you get something...
Who e be? Which movie you don't really produce like that?
And for in mind, if you say get haters, in they find them with touchlight, not because they get.
All right, too much of that. We don't finish jokes.
We'll move to the next one.
Jokes, next time, you're not going to try them again. You're not going to try them again. All right, the next one with our hand, this one, Obodo Yibo, one travel enter inside Manchester. Okay. Now, Scott, this week, where we know say marry... not be say marriage, where they date Kim Kardashian's sister, where be cousin, elder sister, cousin. Now we not say him na person we like party well.
Yeah.
In a person where they like party like say tomorrow nothing. But something happened over the weekend when he go to Manchester. Now what happened be say they already pay him big money for him to appear for one party where they do. But according to the informate, they say this reality star so Scott Disick say he go the party and in they drunk like say tomorrow no day.
Diri.
In they drunk like say tomorrow no day. So because of this one, they come sue him, say he must to pay for damage. He must to pay for damage. They say according to one PR company behind the event, they thought say Disick actually arrived late. And then he can't complain about travel during one chat where he do with the MC. And apart from saying he come the party late, he still come the party saying with smelling, his body they smell drink, his body they ooze alcohol and every. Anyway, he does the first question. On top, why he decide to come the party late, and also he go need to pay money for drinking. Ladies, the question why I want to catch more for this one, I go surprise. Now, which one you go actually prefer to marry? Man where they drink or man where they smoke?
May the Lord be with you.
Amen.
That's all Scots, they are just people. If you meet people,
Lord Disick.
Lord Disick. May the Lord be with you. But for me, if you leave me, I don't go choose anyone. But as you don't put the question, I don't say you go say, which one, choose one. I go say, make it. I don't feel choose. Just because the smoking part, I don't feel stand them. Unto say the smell and everything, if it drive me go nuts, I know if it just, I know if it stand up. But the drinking, make we just hope and assume, say, you don't go drink too much. You go still hold yourself for okay. But that smoking, I no go fit. If you can't they do the two, Ubvi, I tell you, the love go die natural death. He go die natural death, I no go fit.
You know, say, when you talk, whether if you marry, they drink or marry, they smoke. I first thing I say, drink, smoke. The one I don't like, I don't even like any of them. You want to make I choose, it's not possible. Because the only thing where they think, okay, because get what person wait with guy and a lawyer, and say, waiting men, maybe lawyers, what they do? They get 3 things. And 3 of them, they must do one at least. They must drink, smoke, or womanize.
Really?
When the time, as you talk this really, I tell him, say, really? He say, yes. So the bad part, say the man, they do the 3. And that one, you know, say, you own up with me. But if the man love you, if love day, he fit decide to stop him. So my hope, if you say, make I choose one.
Yeah.
Hopefully, I know if he stand smoke, I dey react to the cigar. Okay. So if you do, I go just stay stand, you know. I feel stand by your side, I feel no dey breathe. When pew, I don't come out. Drinking, I go pray as better na talk. So when they drink, it go help me, make we help himself. No drink to drink.
So you go choose person where they drink over person where they smoke.
Me, I dey indifferent. I don't go choose anyone.
No. We have to choose.
I beg.
Now question.
I don't want anyone.
Well, for me, not choice for life. You try to drink, you try to smoke, you try to humanize. Whichever one way you want to do, not the choice way you want. But when it comes to where I did there, brother, pocket am. I would prefer the one where they drink, actually. Because sometimes I dey drink too. Yes, if I go out with my friends, I go want drink when people dey. No be say I go just sit there and say, oh, I want drink today, oh no. I be the one where we say, if I won't go out with people, okay, what's in one drink? I don't plan myself. I feel don't prepare from Monday. Don't purge myself. Say, okay, see, I won't prepare my body. Say, I won't drink. But no be the ones where we say, on Monday, I won't drink. Tuesday, Wednesday, I won't drink. No. So, hey, but that smoke, my brother, You are sitting on a long thing.
But when she talk drinking, I believe say drinking when you
that
mean.
That's why people
Drinking
actually
and drinking.
fail exam.
Now when you
I say
go
which
extreme.
one you go choose? Person where they drink or person where they smoke? I not say person where they don't conk for inside or person where they drink or person where they smoke. Which one you go choose?
Drink as in normal drink get level.
I don't know. That just come
But
out
I don't
question.
specify
I
the
ask
level.
you.
Now you go choose the
Now
level.
you go
where
choose the
want.
level you want. I'm telling you.
Well, for me now, so it be so.
I don't want. I know if it's in cancer.
But I know if you follow my way, be say no if you taste alcohol. What's if that one?
Okay, Betty Anna, let me ask you now. Wait, chill. So which one you go pick?
I don't pick. Now I tell you say drinking,
pick.
but I said drinking.
yeah.
Okay, now you not pick.
Now
you not pick.
I prefer drinking.
All right, for me, I actually prefer drinking. I go with you,
Yes.
Queen Bee. I actually prefer man where they drink than man where they smoke. I hate man. I not say I hate them. I hate the smell of cigarettes. Like they do me somehow, especially when they not come brush. Especially when they not come brush.
You get it at one talk.
And you know their body go they smell.
If they sweat,
If they sweat.
Lord.
But if God help you, the one you know the one with the pain me pass.
Which one?
Person with the smoke inside car.
Ah.
As you
You
open
want
the
kill
car.
with that now.
OMG. Now as you just open the car.
Nah,
and
really,
so it's
OMG.
gonna whoosh. When you come down, when they can't open the car where people dey, imagine you go greet your in-laws. As now just open door.
Now that one they disturb you. The one where be say when they open the can, only smoke you go first see. You don't see everybody face. You know the kind of people where they talk
And you
about.
know say it hard for them to they neat. Some of them shall people where they smoke it hard for them to they neat.
No, for that
No
one.
matter
I
how
for those
neat
who I
you
don't
go
see,
see.
it hard for them to they neat.
It gets what I remember. You know that pack of the cigar where they write smokers are liable to die young. I meet a person, I tell her, say, you don't read the pack of that cigar.
Yeah,
You
that's
don't
right.
read
That
it.
one time.
You know how many times I read them? I don't read them. See as I do. So people where senior me see their life, see their life.
That's so now. That's
so then they talk.
so. That's so. All right, you were there out there. Tell us what you think. Enter Twitter now. Which one you go prefer? Person where they drink or person where they smoke? And also, our first question: you feel say they hard for person to talk or to keep quiet? Which one hard pass? Just put your mouth inside. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. We're going to need to pass a small break. When we come back, we go find out if our first guest go enter inside the studio or not. Abby,
Yes.
we they come back.
Oh yes, my ladies don't the ginger. They say, why are they ginger today? Waiting they make me happy. They tell them that the grace of God Almighty, now in the sweet me for belly. Yes, our first guest don't enter inside the studio, and the person where he day and the person where he be say, they say them born them into a family of 4. In real name, na Chika Ezigbo, and he don't start to sing right from children choir. He don't start from church things. He go school, not be any other singer. He go school, graduate for inside 2007, and then a very very casual person. But as I call the full name, I go the one that say who be Chika Ezigbo, but you go need to watch this video. Then you go know the man of God where they talk about.
Holy.
Oh yes.
Holy.
Hallelujah. Oh, video please.
Ancient of days, beginning and the end, chicken 100%. You are good, you are kind, Lion of the tribe of Judah, we give an amen. Child, you are the reason for living. With the pull on the beat, you are good, you are good, you are kind, you are kind. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be the name. You are good, hey, you are kind, you are kind. Blessed be the name. Blessed be the name. Jehovah Togwelemu, Jehovah Togwelemu, Ebi, Ikade, Jehovah Togwelemu, Jehovah Togwelemu, Ebi, Ikade, Jehovah. When I remember, remember your power. Imere mokoti he, narekele. I throw a salute to you. Now you the rain, yo. If not for you, 100%. Where for day, maybe I for day for prison. They cry every morning and evening. Your love, they keep me safe. I swear you are good. You are good. You are kind. You are kind. Not a killer. Not a tutor. Jehovah Tagwelemu. Jehovah Tagwelemu. Baby, G-Mama. He got it. Jehovah Tagwelemu. Jehovah Tagwelemu. G-Mama. He got it. I remember 1994. Nigeria for scatter. If not be you, where we for there? I battle your way, Chibo. Oh, yo, Chi. Your love, the tasty passage.
Oh Lord, I really glad on this video. Yes, we got Chika 100% for inside. We build it.
Yeah, thank you.
Chika Alpha.
100%. We thank God.
Actually, I get 2 questions.
Yeah.
And I go through them once.
Okay.
First of all, that video where we just seen now, actually, because I like this concept of the video, but I want to actually find out whether now your actual true life story be that. That now one. Okay. And then why Chika 100%?
Okay. First of all, that particular story now experience we don't get for area. I grew up for AJ City. I go school for Abia State University. Those who grew up for Abia State University know saying cultism all the way. Boys are not smiling, you know. So that's a particular experience. Now part of it, when they make a join the whole initiation process. But because of God, I'm with my cousins, because my cousin was actually the capone, and they rule all matters, you know, but I be no go on with them. Now just the story we just depict for them will come out. Then as far as Chika 100%, after my album launch, people just started to call me 100% because that was the title of the album, 100%. So on the album, they call me 100%, 100%, 100%. So I just take them too well, you know, and since then we just make sure say our music depict that particular, you know, emblem 100% in terms of extremities, excellence, everything. Just
okay, so the singing of a thing, I should take starter. Say now, matter make crayfish bend, or singing na your passion.
Singing na wetin we don't do from small now. Children department things. You grow, enter. Yeah, children department for church. Obviously, don't they do them, they come, then go school. Now for school, the thing can't be very clear. Because nothing there like when you sing, finish, and you see people actually they blessed for church. And so I leave school, I just go all the way. So professionally, I start 2010. Then I did thing just that. So I know just not be because of Wahala we enter the matter. Now we think God bless us with.
So now singing.
So Chika 100%, I can actually ask you this particular question because that question where people on a normal day they always talk say you know they happen or when I know they make them well. Now you feel say not true say gospel artists for Nigeria they know they encourage enough and they know they make them well past secular artists.
The reason why it be like that now because. Most gospel artists don't even bring out quality content. So for their mind, then they already believe, say, people, they marginalize them. Why? Because you carry your material, go. Person who can say, this thing no good, reach, for what we want push. So then go back and tell us all these people, then just, but since I start my work, nobody, they look down on anything. If you're good, you're good. If the work is good, they won't play them. Okay, so nobody, they marginalize anybody. Those way they do good job, then they bless for it, and they do, then they get events, and they get money. Now this thing I use, come outside, I've been using and get job, I've been using and marry, I've been using and get picking, I've used and go.
So you're married?
Wow. 2013, seriously. 2013. Okay, so I got so now just God's grace, you know, I do my best, they sing him song, and they bless everything that they do, they bless everywhere where they go. You know, churches they do Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, so now back to back. We go there, we just deliver, and you'll be shocked at what these pastors they do.
Wow.
They have great time.
But my own be say how you take the cope with family, your career, and the singing part, because you get if you dedicated husband, sometimes you go on stay house, but if you got to go work, you got to go. So how you take they manage all
the reason why you got to know the kind of person where they marry. Person they will go marry, go put inside container, pop, lock key, throw them inside. No, but again you go marry, the person encourage you all the way. You know, they give you ideas how you now go take push them and all that. So my wife is a fantastic lady. I don't get issues with that.
Oh, sound effects.
So what do we need to look forward to from Chika 100%?
The main album they come out this year.
Okay.
The main album they come. Everything is ready. Now just this election, everybody election. So they take them easy after the elections. They come out. It will be in stores all over. You know, so everything on ground, they set for the thing to go.
Beautiful.
Yes.
We've been telling you, say we get backup singers for inside the studio. Then they your left, right, and left. Second left.
Okay.
Okay. So how you take see the election things when they happen for inside Nigeria?
Man, the pressure, they unnecessary, really.
Okay.
That's now waiting I go talk. The pressure just the unnecessary. Vote for the right person. Avoid violence. Avoid unnecessary. You know the funny thing. One of my friends, we've been doing event for Weary, so we need go collect the check at the date when a small one. It go shock you say some of the governors and their chief of staff they don't carry their children around.
Yes.
They don't attend to anybody. We see bags, they were all packed, they don't take off. Why some people they here they kill themselves? So it's so unnecessary. Just do it you need to vote for who you want vote. And make God just take control. Really. That's my advice to everybody. Be that.
Thanks a bunch, Chika. We don't reach that point where we say we do one game for inside we studio with all our guests. They call and talk the talk and do the do. Okay. So right about now, no, they look you from head to toe. I look you. They say, what thing I want give this man to do, but nothing they enter my head. But I no go agree. I go still give you something to do. As we say, you say them born you from inside AJ City. Okay. I just want to make you begin the call. You know, so as conductor, then the shadow for passenger. They say, oh, show the, okay, my 12, oh, show the,
Okay.
Bako. You could call all the bus stop from Ajegun and reach Victoria Island.
Wow. Petition.
Your time starts now.
Maybe a bank account.
Boundary.
If
CMS.
you be conductor, I'm not entire.
I say, I tell you.
No, but I'm very boundary. CMS. Well, CMS. Okay, how do I take it down? CMS, you go reach Echo Hotel. Those will go take keke.
I know say tell us where we go reach. I say they call bus stop as a shadow for passenger.
Okay. Boundary. Okay, boundary. Marine Beach. CMS. Bonicam. Bar Beach. Echo Hotel. Roundabout.
You don't reach office with that. Yeah, I'm trying.
Get BSc and master's degree. Thanks for saying joining us, Chika. We really appreciate it.
We appreciate it.
Make no go anywhere.
No, make it lift up the spirit. You're going to need to drop it as it's hot. You understand? You're going to need to give us some kind. I don't know the song where you want to sing.
Anything you want to sing.
Anything where you want to sing.
If I go sing, I got to make sure see that my choir complete.
We are complete.
We complete. No worry.
Who they sing tenor for? Who they sing
Don't
soprano?
worry. She they sing soprano. Me I sing alto. She they sing tenor. This one they sing.
I don't know my key.
Don't worry. All right, so drop on like this.
Okay, I go teaching I one new one. Anything where I sing, just sing after me.
Okay.
If I say, great and mighty Sagan, you worthy to be praised. Say, great and mighty Sagan, you worthy to be praised. The last one. Great and mighty Sagan, for you are worthy to be praised. Great and mighty Sagan, for you are worthy to be praised. I'll try.
Oh, I can make wonderful choir mistress.
Go sit down.
Okay. People when not get voice like me, now choir mistress and things we they do. But make not go anywhere because after Chika 100%, we still get another Kajad guest inside the building. We still get body Kajad where they wait for. Now make not go anywhere because we is coming back.
Jehovah talk well Chimama, baby, Chimama, Jehovah talk well Jehovah talk well Chimama, baby, I remember 1994, Nigeria for scatter. If not be you, where we for there? I bow to your way, Chimo. Yo, bring me like no other, on a top.
All right, you welcome back. Now still talk, and all of us still day here. But you know, waiting today now our Comedy Friday. So we're going to need to sunch you with one kind funny video. But first of all, thanks a bunch to Chika 100% we enter our studio. Funny video. Now we want Sama give you right about now. Will they come back? I don't understand.
I don't even want to look out. Now my first to swim.
Now my first to climb chair.
Jeez.
Hi.
All right, so my people, as soon as I know, say today in our Comedy Friday, we'll not go leave this studio except to make you laugh. That one na part 1, now you see. So we go on to the part 2 on. We get one comedian in the building, and I tell you, we are going to make you laugh. We get Mr. Mayor in the building.
Mayor.
They do clap.
Mayor
I
where?
they clap.
Man, no clap.
I could be the mayor of your heart, any mayor with
Hey, mayor of your heart.
Mayor of your heart.
But
We
once
be.
the mayor, we they like to see people where they on top of this show. So this is why we wear glass, so no one identify for them. So
no verse.
you
You
see
know,
now.
I buy the glass. You know, when you buy something expensive, they carry and go anywhere. So if you wear the money, come
So
out.
you they show yourself now.
No beside the
They
show.
talk
man.
saying poverty now they make plenty noise. So.
But they on lane. Which one be poverty? I say I buy glass.
Mayor.
Glass it is married person now.
Price,
I buy price. Now times 2 of which I is buy this.
Oh yeah, you know what, Tim? I just get information now. Our security man, they verse for you. He said, but now you just buy them for frontage now.
So
For
you go front of our
all those man
office.
say they carry wheelbarrows. Now you just buy them just
No.
now. Why you go come here? Cause they form say you buy now expensive glasses. I really don't get you. What's a glass? This is what?
The name.
You see the name.
Bros, you never see say they
never
carry
see
the
the name.
original show.
Bring that guys.
No, I don't want to touch her.
No,
I
bring
just say, no, this glass I don't buy it for Nigeria here.
I will want give you
No touch
analysis
her.
of that thing now because the name and the logo they're not tally. But maybe we leave that on one side. Why you carry chicken crow put for head?
No, this is not chicken.
We supposed to do well throw away.
No be chicken.
Okay, what's it they call this one?
It's called moho.
What do you call that?
Moho.
No. Mohawk where we know they get extra head. This one now.
No.
See.
This one a comedy moho.
Comedy
Mohawk.
mohawk.
Yes.
And I not
Okay,
see the
I like
artist
this trending.
mohawk.
I like the trending. Comedy mo.
No, say if you see me for road, if you look me once, you won't look me again. So what think they want this guy?
Okay, now the attention.
Yes.
Sorry for the light draw attention to them. So the people want some kind
You don't know
red style.
Balotelli. You don't know Balotelli for Liverpool. If defenders say how they come with the head, they give a chance. So if I hold mic for any event, they give me chance.
They say, let this one Chris finish.
As I said, you know that you be.
As you be.
You have my own.
No, leave my Oshuka. They use and sell my market.
You must say what kind this whole thing station go like this.
And they use and sell my own market. Just leave it on one side. But
So
this
I
kid,
don't
they use and
understand.
put your heart.
No.
where you dey?
And
Nah,
you say you be
The hat's
the
not get
mayor
done, na
to
sure.
person.
No, but he put key for, he carry key for neck.
No.
Now my ministry keep
1,005
that.
naira.
Bling,
Bling, bling, where some guys that they wear.
You don't know the
we
too much. You
understand.
dey show yourself.
You see, mayor not dey smile
You carry
again.
handcuff full for here. See where you are. You see now, if this company just do mistake, we all come them.
Okay. On the more like that note, welcome, mayor.
I'm not welcome before. Sorry. Now I remember saying you welcome me.
No, we don't welcome you before now, but I will give you another welcome.
Okay.
Welcome,
That
mayor.
was it. Thank you.
So what will be your name?
My real name, Romanus of Focus.
Romance.
I think I prefer the mayor.
But my own name now is Uchugu.
Why you not call that one before?
No, I'm a Roman Catholic. Now the name go first come.
Romanus.
So you know say I dey romantic. You cannot dey want you.
Okay,
When
but
you go sit down among four women, you know, you must put the first name so that they know what's up.
Mayor, I like the way you dey position, but I just want to ask you, how the comedy industry actually be for you
As
since
in-
where you don't start?
Awesome. That's the only one.
Challenges, everything we want.
All day, you know, nothing you do for life, you don't get challenges. But, you know, the more the challenges come, the more stronger you get. And as you dey strongly go, the more people they know you. And as they know you, the money they come. So, and the challenges even they make the work sweet.
Really?
No.
Now you be the first person to talk.
Why they
to.
talk like this? As you dey now, just imagine say, once you just commodity your makeup.
I still fine.
I pray.
Alright,
No.
you know, say
You don't need to
you know, say on top of the show on Mondays, you get one time we will bring one code, say challenges. They're not there to weigh you down.
Weigh
They're
you
there
down,
to make
yeah,
you
move
move forward.
stronger.
But I like the fact that you see challenges as opportunity
Yes,
for you to
oh,
make.
yes,
But I
oh.
just want to ask you this question because we know say now most comedians they put their hand inside other things. You see music or you see acting or you just won't stick to comedy or you get on other thing where you don't put your hand inside.
No. Wait, I want put my. I know Sabi sing. The only thing I know is I won't put my hand again. I'm married. My house married.
Now ministry be that one. To join to the comedy again. But outside comedy, nothing again. Nothing again. I just want to do my lead.
But because me, the way why they see you, I say you too, you should do cream and proper. I just feel say I know they sure me now what I think and my own opinion because now what they do for this show that's our opinion now when they give. You know look like comedian to me be like all those underage footballer like those ones where they be 30 where they claim say them be under 20.
My dear, you know no but you right small.
Okay.
Oh, you like
that means you want me like
No, I be the play ball.
So
Right
I
from
talk
secondary school.
I see vision.
You know, for Nigeria, I say if money not there to travel, wait till they play the ball for. Go play for Wayawu National, play for Rangers.
Now you can start from somewhere.
So meaning this one not be your first love at all.
Why you talk like this? I don't play ball, I don't play Principal Cup tire, nothing.
Wow.
I don't play Principal Cup tire now. Okay. You know, now in secondary school, yeah, I go for Sulere. So
Okay.
I play Principal Cup. So when we finish secondary school, now I look myself, look everybody with the, and you know, the family know too, they all right. So if I fit talk, get money to make everything they all right.
All right.
So I begin talk because anywhere if I talk, people will say, this guy is funny now. But, you know, this I work hard over. Imagine say I stand for a crowd of 5,000 people, call whole mic, and nobody feel laugh.
Talk and nobody laugh.
Unlike musicians, we say, no matter, even though your song bad,
They
you
go
go
not
see
there.
like 6 people when they chat do come on. But you come be comedian, you get one man. I bet do.
Because what you nod head for?
So I just look the whole matter and say, man, no, I see the play ball, sha. But anyone I enter, even when anyone I enter, people will always ask me, even when I go snap international passport, as I enter, all those immigration, are you going to play football or what? I say, no, now. Now everybody will bab this guy hairstyle be footballer. I don't say Balotelli in the play ball, but won't get Balotelli for comedy, you know. I really want.
Okay, I want to enter something now. I want to, on a lighter note.
Okay.
You dey single or you dey married?
You
didn't think that one again.
So you need to twist your mouth before you go
I'm
answer
not
that
married,
question.
but I'm engaged. I'm taking.
Okay, you take
I'm
it
taking.
now.
Wait, to. You're taking to. You see, you're
I'm taking to I get fiancé now.
I beg, give us her Roman Catholic name and her Igbo name.
She don't get good name.
No,
I don't get.
Oh, yeah, talk and then
Tell
she
her.
dey hear you. She dey hear you.
Her name is Scholastica.
Scholastica.
Scholastica. The name of my school daughter. You should send up my school daughter. They follow. Okay, no, my school daughter na Igbo girl. No worry, na Ibe.
You said na Edo she be.
No, Scholastica, the anybody feel Scholastica. Anybody.
And her Yoruba name now.
Okay, so Scholastica.
I don't get Yoruba name.
All of them join Mama na Togo. You know.
Lie down there.
We don't call them
see like 25 girls for there.
I won't get like you know if you marry white and I say na how do you call her?
Half caste.
Half caste. So this one miscast.
Okay. Anyway, the reason why I asked that question is right about now I want to enter my cocoa of the day.
Cocoa of the day. Now we
Yes.
talk
This
about
the bag.
every day. for
Yes,
this
a cocoa of the day.
Eh,
Our cocoa
how
of the day be say, if when you marry, you say you dey engaged. I been engaged.
I'm not married. I'm taking.
Okay.
Taken.
Yes. When you dey married, you feel live for the same house.
Huh?
Wait now.
You never hear the house.
Wait now. You feel live for the same house. Okay, go fit attend your ex. As I see another question first enter my head.
Okay.
As I just see another question. You fit attend your ex if you marry. If you marry, you fit attend your ex wedding.
It depends on what you mean by S.
Ex now, your ex.
Okay. Why not? What did they do? We not S, we not S.
But not really till you marry, though.
you
You
don't have to be
understand? If
married.
you dey date person and the person come marry, you don't get what you want to do. You rather to wish them well. So
Yes, ma'am.
to me, but I go
Both
talk for
ways.
me. Ma talk for me.
Oh yeah.
I don't go ex wedding before. When we break up and the thing still dey pain me, but I just want dey sure. Say he actually did marry. I no want hear see.
No, what
Me and my dad actually keep malice for 2 months because of that thing. My dad refused to talk to me because if you say the way the guy take break my heart, it pain him past me. so my
why
dad
you go
also
go?
say,
Why?
Why you go?
Why it always be say, I always talk say, man break woman heart. Una need to break our own heart. You know how many don't break
No,
my own
but
heart?
with that one I retaliate. I break 4 hearts.
You see, just imagine. Because of one person, one mistake.
Okay, what do you get to talk about this one? I wish you just drop.
No, very bad though. Just be
Okay,
like
what do you
person.
go advise?
Just be like person we get ace now. You go say, since they give me my share.
No,
No, what's the difference? That's the same thing you talk about.
From this moment henceforth, I relinquish the name Thatcher and I give it to you. Because I never break anybody's heart and they never break my heart. So
No, you don't
Thatcher never break her.
they never break my heart.
Thatcher speaks the truth, so you are taking it.
You know they give chance.
They slag it, they come back.
You know they give chance.
All right, thanks a bunch.
Don't
Thanks a
forget to
bunch.
say, just in case when I want chook, not be in case. If when I want chook man to enter this matter now, our cocoa of the day, we're gonna sharply run enter at Talk Wazobia. Drop your own opinion inside that place. Whether if you attend your ex wedding, boy or girl.
Your boyfriend.
All right. Thanks a bunch, Mayor. You want to give us any last word?
Drop
Make
one
us
joke. Today na already Friday.
If you mayor for nothing.
Hey, I want to talk about ladies, you know.
Why?
Because
No,
we
yeah,
ladies
but
inside
okay,
here.
Ladies, that's a joke now. All joy.
I know say we go attack her. Let's talk.
Bring it on.
Now, what you want make me talk this matter? The way you sit down, you know, this girl, you sit down, choppy, sit down, cross legs. Very bad. And he hate her. Only say God will bless us with motor. That I hate her boss. I don't say that I will look my face now. This boy is try. I get car, I don't be motor. Car. Because the difference between car and motor, you know those motor be say what's up for money, go first laugh you as a pookie, go yeah. No be that one no, and they drive car. Okay. We get one key for all the doors. No be the one motor they get every door get key. You can't carry a bunch of key like only work for bank. But you know, ladies, and I'm tire me. And they hate girls. Anytime I sit down, we get go cross leg like this. Very bad. Before I know they complain, till one very day, they get fine like this. Makeup, just sit down, they get cross leg. You know, you get one mess they call waka mess. That mess, if you say, if you mess and they go waka. We all sit down, the rest of that girl release the thing. That's what the thing pass me. You know, say, if you sit down somewhere, you say, now you will walk past. If person mess, now you will walk the look. But me, I don't say that she release the thing now face her.
I don't like why they pay. Why they face?
No bad, you can't be like you now. I tell you my mind.
Just enjoy the position, I beg.
As girl release the thing, now look at I don't talk to them. You know women, and then she begin look me. What?
Yes.
What are you looking at? I know what you're thinking. Why not ask a question? I know what you're thinking. Say, look at it, it's a flash. Then she show me her phone. It's a flash. I know answer. After 20 seconds, everywhere begins smell. Now I call the girl and say, Auntie, she say what? I say, now wow. She say, for what? I say, only your flashing, they smell like this. Now I'm saying they call you. They die for you.
Thank you so much. Right. Thank you so much, Mayor. Thank you. Thank you.
Nana, go thank you. You know, since I come back for London, Noli.
It's okay.
On a final note with Mayor, when I notice say Mayor resemble Kabuchi.
Yes! Until that Kabuchi birthday.
Until then, Kabuchi birthday. So happy birthday,
Kabuchi. Happy birthday. We love you plenty.
Kabuchi, I don't know you, but they say you resemble me. No, you resemble you.
It be your final version.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. You want me?
Yes. Mayor, thank you so much that you entered our studio.
Oh,
but you know what? We actually asked this question to people outside.
Okay.
Whether you go attend your ex wedding, and plenty of people give us their response. Let's play it, producer.
I fit. It depends on how we take scatter. If you know, say you get how you and your ex go scatter, and go still be friends. You feel go, but you get how na go scatter way. You know, you not go see the vex for each other, and not go feel they look each other for eye. Why you go want come go that kind of wedding? You want to give yourself heart attack? No. You don't feel go that kind of wedding. But if scatter on still be friends, why not? You go now. You go see the man. Or sometimes if you don't like the girl at all and you know it's not a young person, if you go there, go look the unfortunate man. We don't carry over your wahala. So it gets as it go be, you go. You get as it go be, you no go.
Not. I'm gonna go cause wahala now. Go do any show myself. I wear sexy hot dress. Hey, I go turn up as the bride. I think they look me say, oh, I wish I married her. Oh, I made a big mistake. You go leave your wife, got the propose to me, put the ring on my finger. Oh, I'm gonna go with the mission, and my mission I shall succeed. Help me say I'm here.
My ex wedding. What's in there? You know how many when I don't MC? I don't MC my ex wedding. I don't MC nothing less than 4 or 5 self. No. As I talk 4 or 5, then come the one that say how many you don't get. Hi! I don't form my hand for national TV. But nothing dey there. Nothing dey there. I dey attend. No be say I go gree. I dey attend well. And most of them now, I dey go MC. Because then go remember say I fit MC now. Then go say, hey, come contribute to my wedding, oh yeah. Go MC. Nothing dey there.
Myself? Yes. What do you call her? My ex? Na person. I go attend, no problem.
No be animal.
Oh, I don't shout, why?
But when you fit go your ex wedding?
I no go fit. I don't just say, especially na person where I love, I no go fit.
I don't go fit.
Amaka?
I no fit.
Mona, they truthful. All right, so
no, the truth be say, you, as in for you feel attend. But
Yeah.
for me, if that person where I love and the person break my heart, I don't go attend the wedding. But that person where I don't forget about, I'm like, whatever, we date and it was I will go.
Because if I don't forget about it, I don't go.
No,
But if I get any reason to go, like that lady Chika talk, that to go cause trouble.
Yes, matter you to go your ex wedding. Sometimes I understand say it break your heart, but no be every relationship actually they lead to marriage. If you be say for that moment where that person day your life, it contributes to one thing. It's for you to learn one thing.
My sister,
and
of
for
course,
that moment,
that is you go attend.
Yes,
Abi?
for that
Me, I no
moment
go
where
fit.
I go that wedding, you know what's in? I test my patience.
Okay.
Now what's in? I
That's
actually
not
accomplish
patience.
with
You
that.
test your guts.
No,
That's not patience.
I test my patience.
Now your guts you test. Because
All right, tell my people, you know, say today is Friday, and
I'm telling you, patience get.
See, if at all I go, I dey go because me and the person, no, I don't really too like the person.
And
like
you
that.
have moved
And I
on,
don't
and
move
you are
on, I
doing
don't-
well.
But
Yeah, I was doing well.
What are you
At that
saying?
moment, I was doing well. Yeah.
We
yeah,
get body
I was
catch
doing
up.
well.
Let's think
All right,
about
so my
the
people,
catch
you know, say today na Friday, and I know so a lot of people go turn up. Jeans now one thing we don't dey trend. It dey trend since 19
well, na me come wear
But
jeans.
today, Amaka help me
Oh.
wear the jeans come set so that I go feel
Chey.
explain properly.
Oh, yeah.
But before then, I'm gonna just watch this small shaking video because hey, my jeans no matter. Now what they talk about for here.
They always they bring you all the betterment way you're supposed to know for yourself. One way or the other, all of us get this thing for house. You fit get them for skirts and you fit get them for trousers. This one na jeans we dey talk about today. How many times you dey wash your jeans? How you dey take the wear am? Na the information we won't give ourselves today. Jeans now one thing where they fit everybody no matter how you take wear them. Just make sure say you wear your size. But we get different kind of jeans. For ladies, we get the skinny jeans, we get the pregnancy jeans, we get the boot cuts, and we also get the regular jeans. How you go take wash your jeans? Make sure say you dey use liquid soap. After you wash them, abeg no squeeze them when you dey wash them. When you wash them finish, get small starch. Put starch inside, then turn inside come outside. Make you hang them straight. No bend them or just hang them like that. When it dry, iron them from inside so that you go still keep that color where you want on top of jeans. Jeans, they fit everybody like I talked before. You feel wear them for skirt and you feel wear them for trouser. I beg, avoid say it dey drag for ground or avoid say you wear the one when no size you. Now what we carry come today on top of body cajard. Now jeans, now we dey talk about.
Yes, so na jeans.
Nice
and I
one.
know say all of us get
They wear
jeans.
jeans,
so.
of course.
Funny enough, I can't decide not to dey wear those days when I did not. I dey wear jeans a lot, but as I come Lagos, it be like say I just feel say they overrated. So
Yeah, time not to actually
Only
there
rock
again.
jeans
But we
again.
just read one or two tweets. I love Carlo. You still say, why not? If not, he said nothing did here. And not be every relationship they lead to marriage. Now waiting you talk. Thanks a bunch. As Sachi, you talk say, I not fit attend that wedding, especially if I myself never marry yet. But if I don't marry with kids, why not? Another person they talk about you, Betiana, Ayodeji Samuel, say, OMG, Betiana, na iron heart you get to. He say, how come nobody break your heart and you two not break anybody?
no, my
that's why I just
rubber
said
own
you.
joke for own joke.
And they find the person who go break their heart. You won't volunteer yourself.
All right, Sachi, you also talk, say, hey, he say, Kai, all the hurry where the hurry finish, everything make I fit watch talk. He say, at the end I catch. Anyway, my love
try.
to you ladies.
Thank you so much.
Thanks
Lily.
a bunch to all those way they send us messages on top Twitter. My name is still remain Ubvi Ehigamusa. We go meet you now on Monday in peace and not in pieces.
Yes, my name still remain Betiana Unweli. Today na Friday, make sure say you share your responsibly. Oh.
And my name na Maka Okudia. For me, kuna no do wetin me, I no go do.
No, ask me.
No ask me.
All right, so my people, Nadia, my own name still remain Queen Bee. If you want to go out today, try to rock your jeans.
And that's what they always they talk, not be batting, but
Make you know what they talk about. I know they talk about again, that they talk for me.